Welcome back. So now we are going to see difference between find element and find elements in Selenium WebDriver. Find element is used uniquely identify a web element within the web page. So here in this page we have a many web elements are there. So text box is a element. This text is a element. Link is a element. This image is one of the element, right? So whatever you have seen in this web page is called web element. If I want to enter some value here in the text box, I want to find the element first by using any locators. So if I want to find one element in the page, so I can go with find element method. Right, so let us understand with some example. First, I'll initialize the WebDriver. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Then using that driver referral variable, navigate to website. So navigation, here I'm just going to pass the URL. I'll copy this, paste the URL over here. Right. So now we have initialized the WebDriver and navigate to the website. Now I want to find the element of text box. Here I just wanted to enter some keyword. So now I just wanted to find the locator. So here we can use name Q. So I can use this name locator. Right. And I'm just going to use find element driver dot. We are going to find only one element. So I'm just going to use find element by dot. Any locator we can use. Here I am using name. So name we have Q. So now we are finding one single element on the page. Right. So find element returns a single element. So the return type of this method will be web element. Web element text equal to I can store like this. So this is web element. Right. Find element, return a single element. Right. So the return type of this method is web element. So now we can use using this referral variable. We can send some keys into the text box. Send keys. I can use weather. Click enter. Keys dot enter. So now we are finding the element using find element method pausing any locators. Right. So we'll run and check whether how it is working. So it's now this is navigate to the URL and entering some keyword, clicking on a search. So now what we need to do, if I enter some keyword and clicking on a search. So now I want to know how many links are there in the page. Suppose if I want to find the total number of link in the page, so we can use find elements. Right? Find element is used to identify a list of web elements within the web page. So I can go over here, driver dot find elements. Now we want list of web elements in the page. So I can go to web elements. Web elements by dot. I'm just giving tag name. Tag name is if I want to go with find the link, so I can go with a tag. So if whatever the tag name is a, start from the a tag will be the link. Right. So I can use tag name as a. As per the tag name, it is written the list of web elements. Right. So find elements, return the list of web elements. So the return type of this method is a list of web elements. This is list of list of web element link equal to, we can store right. Web elements return the list of web elements. So we need to store it in a list of web element. Here this find element is returned single element, right? So we need to store it in the type web element. Right, so now I just wanted to print the size of the link. How many links are there? So I can print link dot size. So if I run this, see it's returning 105 links are there in the particular page. So this is the difference between find element and find elements in the Selenium WebDriver. Hope this will helpful. Thank you.